Good morning, welcome back to the channel. We have, well, have you guys watched our last video? We were out dip netting and we got our salmon for the year, but it's time to get back to this build. Last thing we did on the build, we poured the concrete piers. We mounted or installed the 6x6 Simpson strong tie brackets, and I need to mill up some 6x6s, which will technically be 5.5 by 5.5. So we're on the mill today. We got to get some milling done. We know for a fact we don't have enough 2x6s and the 6x6 posts. We need a header beam, and so we got lots of milling to do. We probably should have been doing this a while ago, but it just, life happens. So now it's time to get on it. There's our pile of logs we're gonna be milling up. They're looking good. And then we got the mill moved. I moved the mill over here so that I can use the tractor instead of rolling logs down onto them. So I'm gonna get this completely set up. We got it pretty much leveled up, but I need to do some tidying up and get things all level and squared and ready to do some cutting. I got new belts, I got everything we need. Alright. Putting a new blade on. Then I gotta level the blade out, and then I gotta tighten up. I think I gotta connect the battery too. And we're cutting 6x6s. I want them to be clean as possible. That means new blade. Yeah, that's a good blade right there. You want to give me some assistance on that side, please? Sure. So
under this?
It goes inside, so squeeze it down, there you go. Then it goes inside this. See that? It's got to go in that.
Yeah, I see.
So I'm going to stick mine in there, like that. Oh yeah. Looking real good.
It's all leveled up already?
No. Man, living. Them pigs got some stank.
They got all wound up when you had that tractor going.
Oh, really?
See them? They're running around like crazy.
Gates maybe? And I need to balance the blade. I need to check. We need to recheck all the levels. The whole thing's high on this side.
I gotta do some chores. We gotta take care of our chickens, gotta take care of our pigs. The mosquitoes out this year have been outrageous across the entire state. So anyways, I gotta put some more lotion on, or not lotion, but oil on the pigs, try and keep the mosquitoes off them, and feed the chickens, all kinds of stuff. Hey, Zero. You're not helping, dog. Good morning, chickens. Hi, piggy kicks. Man, they've been going through their food like crazy. You hungry little chickens? All right, to the piggies. All right, let's take care of some piggies. Hi, pigs. Not off. Ooh, that looks nasty.
That's what I call a pile of poo.
There's a pile of piggy poo. Let's clean that up for you guys. Then we can make some more.
Hi, oinkers. Hi, little pig.
Hi, babies. chew on.
There you go. Just hand it over.
Oh, thank you. That'd be a lot easier. Thank you.
You need to scrape the top off. Oh, get in there and get some.
Get some. That was like a 10-mile high pile of poop.
That's about all you're gonna get.
Alright. Now time to get my hands dirty.
Doing what?
Rubbing them down.
Gonna rub them down? Nothing like rubbing down the pork.
Getting some, getting some. Oh yeah, that's
You're basting them in garlic oil? Oh man, that stuff, what is that?
Olive oil, lavender, and eucalyptus.
Oh, it smells good. It's very strong smelling.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, Anchors is really liking it.
Oh yeah.
Get those pork chops tendered. Season that bacon.
There's some greasy pigs now. They smell good.
Little pig's over here just, oh yeah, there you go.
Hit that spot.
There you got a good spot. I need to give him a scratching post.
All right. Whew, now I just got to get him some water. Oh. Pig. What'd you do? What'd you do? There you go, piggies.
Chickens are gonna love this.
Oh yeah.
I think. Let's let them spread it out.
Yeah. It's super compressed.
Oh yeah. Now we'll leave it up here.
I'm right here. Well, come check it out, chickens. Don't be shy. Don't be chicken.
Hey, so we've told you guys before, we're headed to Wrangell to our youngest daughter's wedding. That's down in southeast Alaska. But we're gonna be gone for about 5 days, and we've been watching the chickens, and we're getting maybe 4 days out of their feed. So we just let them free feed here. We fill their thing up. They come out, the automatic chicken door opens up. They come out all day long, and then they go back in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a couple of PVC feeders to supplement so that we can last longer without having to feed them. And that way when we're down in Wrangell, we don't have to worry about the chickens. They've got plenty of food, plenty of water. Obviously they have lots of water because it's a 55-gallon drum. They've never emptied it, not even close. So our biggest concern is feed. So we're gonna make a PVC feeder here today. Looks like they've been eating a little bit of this stuff.
Oh yeah. This here is Lovey Dove. She is probably our favorite chicken, right, Lovey Dove? You're so sweet and so cute. So loving. Alright, so here's Ryan's chicken feeders that he made. Extra chicken feeders. Pretty simple. You just take some PVC pipe and some angled pipe, and then as you fill it up at the top here, you can see down there, they've been eating on this one more, but you just fill it up at the top right here, and then as they eat it, it keeps refilling. Pretty simple but effective. So thought I'd show you guys his final product. Easy peasy. Right, chickens?
All right, guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday ended up being, honestly, the mill needed so many adjustments. These mills, the one thing about them is when you move them, they need to be adjusted. You got to get that deck just right so that you're milling straight lumber. So yesterday I had tons of adjustments to do, and then I just wanted to test run a log to see if it was going to work. So I didn't really film much. You guys saw me doing a little bit of stuff, but right there behind me, that is the first 6x6. I milled it down 5 3/4 to 5 3/4 just to give it a little bit of drying room. It's probably going to shrink a 1/4 inch as it dries. So there's our first beam. It's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at this piece of wood. You don't buy a piece of wood like that at the lumber yard.
It's beautiful.
Just minimal knots. It's just a beautiful, dense piece of white spruce, which is what we have on our property here. So guys, it's not ideal conditions. It's raining. Vaughn's gonna be stuck out here with me in the rain filming, and we're gonna try to get some milling done, because honestly we're down to crunch time, right?
We have to.
We've kind of piddled our summer away so far, and anyway, so let's get to milling. We got a lot of work to do. It ain't light. This one here is the one I'm going to go for. There, we got her. Woohoo! So the problem is when I deck these logs, I decked them for the mill sitting here, and they're backwards for the mill over there, because as I pick them, the narrow end, or the tapered end, is on the wrong side of the mill. I always mill my logs so the tapered end is where I start from. That way, the narrowest end of the log, I get a rough estimation of what I can build out of it, whether it's a 6x6 cant or an 8x8 cant. That's about as big as I can get here. So if I start with the rough or the fat end towards the mill head, I get confused, and maybe it's just me, but I like the tapered end to the mill head. You know, the weatherman's always wrong about the weather here. The least they could do is be wrong
About the rain?
about the rain. They're always wrong about the sunshine.
So true.
So there's a little bit of a taper in this log, but it's not too bad.
It's not too bad.
But we're gonna use the old toe board here and trim it up proper.
Very good.
That's probably good. Seems leveled. Looks good. Take off the first slab here.
Nice smooth cut.
Yeah, look clean.
I don't know where my gloves went. I left them over there.
Nice clean slab coming off. I want to use these bigger slabs that I'm cutting like that
Yeah.
for our woodshed, because we need to get the woodshed built, and I'm just going to slab it for siding.
Oh yeah, that's a good
Yeah,
idea.
these bigger slabs are going to do that.
Think you're gonna get another 6x6 out?
Yeah, oh yeah. Easy, I'll get a 6x6 out of this.
Nice.
I cut it to 7" on this side, so we're gonna get a, it looks like probably a 1x, at least a 1x plus the 6x6. That's my thought.
Nice.
Sacrifices the cameras have to make.
Ryan just sawed our GoPro. I don't think it's meant for that. Was it?
I hope. I barely, it just shattered the screen and maybe cut the top a little. Minor damage, cosmetic damage. Look, it's the things we do to get some interesting shots for you guys.
Yeah.
Probably why we spend so much money on cameras.
Probably.
All right.
All right.
Let's do this.
Back to work.
Get back to work. Quit your sassing. I got wet leather gloves. That would get.
Do not get spicy with me. Put your toe down.
Oh.
Do you want my help?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and flip that now.
Do you mind if going over there and lowering those log stops? Do you know how to do that?
The log stop. Yes, I do know how to do that.
Are you sure? See how tall?
How low do they go?
Go down quite a ways.
That's good.
And then this one here too. And then I can lock it in again. Down, down. There you go. Looks good.
Lock it in.
Locked in. I'm so thrilled that Kobuk decided to dig holes right where I stand.
Oh, sweet.
Real sweet of him. It's real thick on this end, so.
Alright. Very heavy on that end.
Good jobber. Good jobber. I'm going to go down an inch. Two nice 1x's and the 6x6, which is technically 5 3/4 by 5 3/4.
Oh yeah, that's right. You gotta do it for those brackets, right?
I'm milling it a little bit big for those brackets. Ooh, she's heavy. Come here, sweetheart. There we go. Okay, so we got, we squared the log down to what's called a cant. This turned into a 7x7 inch cant. So it's a beautiful piece of lumber, but there's a little bit of wane. So anywhere you see, like when you buy it at the lumber yard, you see a little bit of a bark, or it looks like natural wood edge on it. That's called wane. So there's a little bit of wane on this. We're looking for 2x6s out of this. So I'm gonna cut this down to a 6x6 like I did the other ones. Then we're gonna chop it down into 2-inch, and I should get 3 2x6s out of this, 12 feet long. It's gonna be perfect because we need that for framing walls. That's a good log.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Yep.
Beautiful.
It's a good one. All right, guys, that was the last log we needed. We needed 6 6x6s. We cut them to 5 3/4. And so perfect. We got some 1x out of it. I cut a few 2x6s.
Yeah.
And so we still have a lot of milling to do. We'll still continue running the mill. I forgot, we haven't milled in so long, I forgot how much I like milling. It's just super relaxing. Once you get a log on there and you're just cutting through and you're making something dimensional lumber that you can actually build with. So anyways, I want to give you guys an update on our solar. We asked you a few videos back for those of you guys that are watching to give us some opinions on your solar, to see if anybody had some personal experience. Well, we ended up finding a company out of Fairbanks, Alaska called Renewable Energy.
Yep, Renewable Energy.
And
they're very, very knowledgeable.
Yeah, they left a very, very good impression on us.
Yeah.
Walking in there, talking to the guys, just sitting down with them.
Exactly what we needed. They're off-grid experts.
Yeah, they just knew what they were talking about. You could tell they were passionate about what they do. So we ended up ordering a 12 kilowatt system, I think it is. Anyways, we ordered a big system. We got 12 panels coming in. They're by something panels.
Yeah, where they take
they
solar
can take
from
the sun
both
on both sides.
So that's pretty neat.
It's a 8 kilowatt inverter that with a surge to 14 kilowatt, and then some big batteries. So guys, we're excited. We got the solar system. They said it should be ready in a couple weeks.
A couple weeks, yeah.
But the holdup is batteries. Getting batteries here in Alaska can be a pain. So that's the holdup. And of course, I mean, there's just all kinds of supply chain issues in America now.
Everything else they had though, so.
Yeah, we actually called them yesterday to get an update. They said that they're wiring the inverter up for us, testing everything, make sure it all works before we even come to get it. We're bringing it here. Part of our system is we ordered the solar system with inverters, charge controllers, the batteries, all the solar.
The wire is even coming with it. Yeah,
everything's coming with it.
But we're going to set it out a ways, so we needed a lot of wire.
We're putting it about 200 feet away from the solar and generator building. So we're going to clear out a huge, well, I say huge. We're going to clear out a lot of trees. We're going to clear a big hole for the solar so that it's uninterrupted sun, or as much uninterrupted sun as we can get.
Yep.
But the cool thing is, guys, as a bonus, we bought a windmill. Yeah. Everyone told us, they said, well, what are you going to do in the winter? What are you going to do in the winter when you don't have sun? Well, we're going to try a windmill. We're not sure that we're going to get enough wind here, but I mean, every winter it seems to me like it's blowing crazy. So
yeah,
we bought a little windmill. It's only a 400 kilowatt system. Pretty simple, but we want to try it out. And if the wind works with this windmill, we're going to buy 5 more. Yeah. Or we can have 5 total. We can have it up, so we'll buy 4 more.
We'll add some to it.
Yeah, either way, we're gonna add to it, and if it works. So this is kind of a test to see if it's gonna work or not. So we're pretty excited. We got our power coming in. Should be here soon, but we need to get working on this mill. Whew. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Yep.
It's time for me to go do some fishing with a buddy. We got some pike to catch.
He's gonna go fishing, and I'll probably be doing video.
Probably editing a video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate you sticking with us. For all you new subscribers, we're Wildwood Off-Grid Alaska, and we're building an off-grid homestead from scratch here at Tok, Alaska. Stick with us. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
See you on the next one.
All right, guys, so I'm here with Terry. You saw Terry on our last video down dip netting for the salmon we were getting at the Copper River. So we got the canoe, we got a lake, we're headed out pike fishing. I don't know if you can see the bugs, but they are crazy right now, mosquitoes. So we're gonna go do some pike. This lake's known for some huge pike. This is, they're a native fish up here in the lakes. We're in other parts of Alaska that are not native. So here our limit is 5 fish. And we can only have 1 fish over 30 inches. And this lake is known to carry fish well over 30 inches. So hopefully we catch one. Oh, it is a bull. Yep. Boom. That's pretty cool. God, there was a big flock. This looks like it might be good fishing. Yeah. Oh, look at all the birds. They're nighttime eaters. Let's go, what you got? A little bit. Oh, I got it. Yeah, you got one. There's a muskrat or a beaver or something over here. Swimming through that grass.